And welcome back to Chef Edward Cooking. And today I'm going to show you a fun and easy recipe. It's called eggs in a hole. So today you're going to need eggs, bread, butter, a little salt and pepper for taste, and you're going to need a cup. Let's get started. To start this off, we're going to need our bread. We're going to take our cup. Now we're going to make a hole in the bread. So you're going to press down one side. Now you have the indentation on the other side. So you're going to press down again, and then you're going to give a little twist. And now the center comes out nice and easy. Let's try it again. So press down one side, press down the other side, give it a little twist, and it comes out nice and easy. Let's start cooking it. Okay, I have a ceramic pan on right now. It's on low to medium heat. So what you're going to do is add butter. Add it around like so. Going to add our bread to it. I'm going to take that little bit of butter, throw it in the middle. Why not? Now, here we go. We're going to add our eggs right in the center. So this is going to take about 2 minutes to cook on each side, and it's going to be ready to flip soon. Okay, so we get to this point where it's been cooking for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. We are going to flip it. Now, what's nice about eggs in a hole is you have the yolk nice and runny while the outside is cooked, and you have the bread toasted in the pan. So let's give this another minute and it'll be ready to serve. Okay, it's been a minute and now I'm going to take it off the plate. Okay, it's been about a minute. So I'm going to take it off the pan, put it onto our plate, and let's start the next one. A little bit of butter. Definitely don't be shy to add butter. Okay, you add your bread. You add your egg. Let it cook for 2 minutes on each side, or 2 minutes on the front side, a minute on the back side, and then it's ready to go. Okay, it's been about almost 2 minutes, so you take it and you want to flip it over. There you go. A minute on this side and it'll be ready to go. Now, this is how you plate it. So you take it right off. Want to do one next to the other like so. Let's add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, just for taste. And there you have it. You have eggs in a hole. And there we have it. We have eggs in a hole. So let's try it out. Oh yeah, that's really good. Now, if you'd like to see more recipes like these, please subscribe. And now it's your turn. Thank you for watching. Thank you.